Subscribe to Anu's Food Cart, click on the bell icon and select the option all to get notification whenever I post a new video. Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. Today I'm here with a quick, easy and tasty breakfast recipe, sprout sandwich. Sprouts are packed with proteins and it is really good to have it in the breakfast as it keeps you full for at least 3 to 4 hours. Without any further delay, let us quickly jump into the recipe. I have taken 1½ cup of boiled green gram sprouts, 3/4 cup of finely chopped onion, half a cup of finely chopped tomato, 1/4 cup of finely chopped capsicum, 4 to 6 slices of sandwich bread. I have used jumbo sized sandwich bread and trimmed off the sides. A tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a small lemon wedge, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Add oil to a hot pan. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped onions and saute for 10 seconds. Turn the flame to medium, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. I have added salt so that the onions cook faster. Once the onions turn pink, add finely chopped capsicum to it and mix well. Cook it for about a minute and then add ginger garlic paste to it. Mix well and cook until the raw flavor is completely gone. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder and mix well. Cook it for about 30 seconds before you add the pav bhaji masala. Mix it well and add about a 1/4 cup of water so that the masala doesn't get burnt. Mix well and cook until the raw flavor of the masala is completely gone. Now add finely chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn mushy. Add the boiled sprouts along with the water and mix well. I have added 3/4 cup of water to 1½ cups of sprouts and pressure cooked it on medium flame for 1 whistle. Make sure the sprouts are not overcooked. You can take any sprouts of your choice, but I have shown this recipe with green gram sprouts. Now add another 1/4 cup of water, the remaining salt and mix well. I did not add any salt to the sprouts while cooking it, that is why I have added it now. Adjust the salt and spiciness according to your taste. After a minute, add coriander leaves and mix well. Now mash the sprouts slightly to give a binding, else they tend to fall apart when you make sandwiches. Now 90% of this water has to dry off. Turn off the flame and squeeze in some lemon juice to it. Make sure to turn the flame off before you do it, else it will taste bitter. Then mix well and keep it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all the flavors are well combined. Now take a bread slice and apply an even layer of the sprouts mix. You can add as much filling as you like. Now place the other slice of bread onto it. You can have it just the way it is, but I like to grill them. Heat a pan on low flame and grease the pan with very little oil. Now place the prepared sandwich onto it and toast until the slice at the bottom turns crispy and golden. Brush the top of the sandwich with some more oil and flip it carefully and cook until it turns golden. Do you see how crispy they have turned out? Now our pan grilled sandwich is ready. Now let's grill the sandwich with a sandwich grill. Brush the grill with some oil before placing the sandwich and cover it. It will hardly take 2 minutes to get crispy. When you open, you will see beautiful grill marks on the sandwich. Our sandwiches are now ready to serve. Serve it with some tomato ketchup or green chutney and your kids will really love it. I hope you all will try out this recipe at home and give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel for many more such amazing recipes and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys with another yummy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye. I hope you all will try this recipe for sure and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out for you. No, that is not. Serve it with some tomato chutney or green tomato chutney. Sorry.